Hello children. So today I'd like to tell you why we shouldn't waste our food. So the title of the video is Never Waste Food. Never waste food. It shows Rohan at a birthday party. His plate is full of food. He eats a little bit only. Rest of it he leaves on the plate. He always wastes food. This is a very bad habit. In the first picture you can see the name of the boy is Rohan and his plate is full of food. He has taken everything. He didn't think whether he could finish his food or not. At last he couldn't finish and he threw away his food in the dustbin. He wasted his food. That is not a very good habit. तो रोहन अपना खाना डस्टबिन में फेंक रहा है. That is not a good habit. In the second picture you can see Mohan is also at the birthday party. He takes only as much food as he needs. He finishes it completely. He never wastes food. Wasting food is a very bad habit. Our parents work hard to earn money. We buy food with money. In our country, many people do not get enough food to eat. Therefore, we should never waste food. Waste means to use carelessly. And hungry means feeling or showing the need of the food. Hungry means bhookha, bhook lagna. Okay. What do you mean by food waste? Food waste means the food which we throw away. जो खाना हम लोग फेंक देते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं food waste. Since it is not needed because we take extra food in our bowl or plate without knowing our capacity to eat, then wastage of food happens. Sometimes what happens when we see lots of food, out of happiness we take everything in our plate, but our stomach cannot finish it up. Then what we do? We throw away all the food. हम सारा खाना डस्टबिन में फेंक देते हैं. उसको बोलते हैं food waste. Food waste also happen if we don't keep the food properly at home or if we buy extra food from the market. So then also food gets spoiled and we waste it. In the first picture you can see farmers are growing food. They are growing vegetables or fruit. At first they plow the field, then they water it, then they sow seeds or saplings, then again they water, give manures, and finally they harvest it. Harvest means to cut the vegetables or from the plants, and also they, after harvesting, they packaged and they bring to the market to sell. Then our parents, they buy vegetables and fruit from the market, then they cook at home. So the food which we get on our table, it takes lots of effort. बहुत मेहनत से हमें अपना खाना मिलता है और बहुत सारे लोग हम तक खाना पहुंचाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं बच्चों. Many people in the world could not get food to eat. बहुत लोगों को खाने के लिए नहीं मिलता है. बहुत they are very poor, or there are many places where you cannot grow proper vegetables and fruits. So the people of that places, they suffers a lot. बहुत परेशानी होती है उनको खाना मिलने के लिए. And also wasting food is also like wasting our money. See, we work, or our parents work very hard to earn money, and they buy food from that money. And if we waste our food, it is like wasting our money. So how can we avoid wasting food? So we can take some precautions to avoid wasting our food. We can shop smartly. So whenever we go to a shop, we can buy things which last for longer period of time, like rice, dal, and we can store it properly. And we should also buy things which we require. We should not buy unnecessary things. Sometimes what happens, we go to the shop, we buy so many things, and after we come home, we don't feel like eating them, and then we will keep it, and after some days we need to throw it in the dustbin. So whenever we go to shop, we need to shop very smartly. हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें खरीदना है, और ज़्यादा सामान एक साथ खरीद के लाने से क्या होता है, कुछ चीज़ें कुछ दिनों बाद खराब हो जाता है, तो हमें वो फेंकना पड़ता है. So we should always shop smartly. We can serve small amount of food and fill our plate again if we need. So instead of taking everything at a time, we can fill our plate with small amount and we can finish it and again we can take. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खाना लेना चाहिए. ज़्यादा लेने से क्या होगा, हम लोग खा नहीं पाएंगे और हमें फेंकना पड़ेगा. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा पहले हम लोग खाना लेंगे, उसको ख़त्म करेंगे, फिर हम ले सकते हैं ना, जितना मन चाहे. We can store our food properly so that it don't get spoiled easily. So we should store our food in the fridge or in the containers very properly so that it don't get spoiled very easily and we can use it for a longer period of time. So we should store our vegetables, grocery अच्छे से रखना चाहिए ताकि वो जल्दी से खराब ना हो जाए, ताकि हम उसको बहुत दिन तक यूज कर सकें. We can donate food to the needy. Giving food to hungry people is a holy task. Instead of throwing the food in the dustbin, if the food is not in a good condition, we can give it to someone who don't have food to eat. And giving food to hungry people is a very holy task. तो खाना फेंकने से अच्छा है हम अगर वो खाना अच्छे से रख दे फ्रिज में, तो हम किसी ज़रूरतमंद को दे सकते हैं, और खाना दूसरों को देना बहुत अच्छी बात होती है बच्चों. Thank you children. Hope you have learned why we should not waste our food. So children, hope you will try to avoid wasting your food from now on. Thank you.